This thing is fast as shit. Dude, this thing is fast. I'm telling you what right now, guys. Alright. God damn. Stupid fast! Holy shit! Oh, dude, I've never had this much fun on a snowmobile yet. And I barely even ridden the thing. Oh my god, dude. Dude! Taking it a lot more easy now because you're getting in the territory of making it blow up. Too much full throttle and not being too... I'm not full throttle at all. You're not? No, I'm not even half. There we go. Well, guys, a little 3-minute ride. Tanner, I bet you I could get it to pop a wheelie through that entire back stretch. I bet you I could if it had like a deeper track.
No, if it had more snow.
Well, that too, but...
Because you're literally, as soon as you hit the throttle, it gets down to the dirt.
Oh yeah.
Like there's, like this spring.
I was this far off the ground, I swear to God.
Yeah, I know. There's strips in the like grass. Yeah. How fast is it? Would you say like 1 to 10?
I'd say about a 9.5.